Autumn, particularly in the Barossa, is my favourite time of all. The quinces are just about to fall. The persimmon and the pomegranate, everything happens that I love in autumn. The menu today is about our family comfort food, and that is a beautifully roast chook. I've got pumpkin at its most perfect, beetroots that I've tossed in vinacotto, and cavolo nero with quince. For me, continuous improvement is the real essence of life, and being able to work with my Miele ovens, that innovation has given me another edge. I give 3 bursts of steam, and the moisture that gives, it's been a revelation. It's so incredibly versatile, from greens to savoury to sweet. It's allowed me to push myself to learn more and do even better, especially with my roast chook.